Yo, what is up, people? Welcome to the Shoutout Challenge of 2022. That's the year it is.
Alright, so for the Shoutout Challenge, basically me and Allie are thinking of a word, and what you need to do is type that word into the comment section, and if you type the correct word, we'll give you a shout out. Alright, and throughout the video, me and Allie can be giving you clues to help you guys guess what the word is. Good luck, and I hope you win.
Oh no! Oh my god, oh my god.
Alright guys, your first clue is bad jokes, an emphasis on the bad, so basically your clue is bad. And basically I'm going to be telling Allie bad jokes, and I'm going to see if I can make her laugh. Are you ready, Allie?
Trust me, no one's laughing today.
I looked like she was about to laugh. Alright, Allie. A blind man walks into a bar, then a table, then a chair.
I gotta...
Okay, that didn't make her laugh. Which knight invented King Arthur's round table?
Sir Merlin.
Circumference. What do sprinters eat before a race?
Throwers.
Nothing. They fast. What do you call a belt made of watches?
Wait, I know this one. Oh, I saw it on TikTok, I forgot.
A waste of time. What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday?
Yippee.
Aye, matey.
I don't got it.
Aye, matey.
I don't got it.
What do you call a fish with no eye? A fish. I'm only familiar with 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why.
I don't know why either.
Okay, Allie passed the challenge. Alright people, the second clue is instinct. So basically me and Allie can have our eyes closed, and we're going to use our sibling instinct to clap our hands at the same time. But if we miss, then we have to get a huge bucket of water dumped on our head as a forfeit. Are you ready, Allie? Alright, so our eyes are closed and we could literally clap whenever. No, that didn't count. Okay. Almost. Oh. Oh, you're gonna go, bro. What the heck? Did we get it?
I know.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. 3. Yes! We got it! Yes. See, we are so connected. We're just those
Can
people.
I slap you for the thumbnail? Like slapping my brother for $1 million?
Yeah, but I already have the thumbnail.
Guys, so these trees have been part of our videos for so long. Everything from like hide and seek, literally every single outdoor challenge we've done, but they have cut them down. This tree blossomed with white flowers in the spring, usually around my birthday. If we didn't have calendars, we would know my birthday was coming because the flowers would come.
Alright people, the next clue is crossbar. So basically we're going to be trying to hit the crossbar, but we're going to be shooting from really far away, so we just constantly miss. And then we'll be able to get the video to 8 minutes and get like mid-roll ads and stuff. Does that sound like a plan, Allie?
Yeah! Comment Junior sucks. Actually, I bet Jamal's gonna commentate this.
Alright people, I missed, but that's what happens when you wear Crocs. So I'm not surprised. Plus I missed, and if Allie misses, better chance of the video getting to 8 minutes, you know? That was actually pretty close.
Mid. Bruh. Okay, okay. Oh my god, Junior, good job. Jamal has done it once again.
W.
Junior, post-game speech. What do you want to tell the
I
camera?
almost rolled an ankle on that second shot. Like my crack went like this, like.
Oh.
But then, so like the third shot, I just struck through it and I hit the crossbar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Junior. Too slow.
It's too slow. Alright, you can go whenever. Ooh. A stick just hit me.
I'm a talented soccer player, guys.
Oh, that was a good goal, actually.
Right top corner is my favorite shot.
Okay. Ooh.
So close.
Almost. Alright, Allie, what is the fifth clue?
Hide.
Hide. So I'm going to be hiding and Allie's going to be seeking, but emphasis on the hide. What a dummy. Most of you guys don't know this, but like about a year ago, me and Allie actually filmed a hide and seek video, and the footage corrupted, so we never uploaded it. But like I hid up here for like 10 minutes. Luckily it's been a year, so she'll probably forget about this spot, but hey, she didn't find me yet. That's cool.
I heard a noise. It would be so iconic if he like hid his like red shirt in a bush and I thought it was him. Oh my god.
What's up, Allie? Took you a while.
I'm gonna shake you down that tree.
No. That was pretty easy dubs, but now I gotta go inside and try to find Allie, so yeah. Cut.
I'm just gonna go hide behind the AC unit because it's the last place he's gonna check. Because you always check the front of the house first, then the back, but you never check the side. Do you guys see that bunny? That's a static.
Alright, now it's my turn to try to find Allie. Or maybe it's Allie's turn to hide from me. Because I'm not seeking, Allie's hiding. I know where she's hiding. Oh! There's a rabbit over there. Let's go say hi to the rabbit. Also, I think I know where Allie's hiding. Hello, rabbit. Oh. Anyways. She doesn't know I see her yet. I'm gonna wait for her to look at me.
Okay guys, it's been like a couple of minutes and he still hasn't found me. That's embarrassing.
How's it going, Ollie? You know how long I've been there for?
No.
A while. I was just waiting for you to realize I started like banging on
Yeah,
that
I
rubber
heard that and I was like, what is that?
Cool. Alright guys, so we've given you like 5 clues. Hopefully you guys know what the word is. And if you don't know what the word is, maybe just come back in 24 hours.